Hi there, welcome along to another edition of the Gaga CFM Sports Unlocked right here on the Big G. Igama lami Ayanda Wakanyuswa, and I'm going to be your host for this week's edition of the show. So the 2026-27 football season is upon us. Imidlalo eBetway Premiership yaqala ke ngawo uMgqibelo the 1st of August. But today we're not going to speak to any coach or any player or any technical team member or even an analyst. Namhlanje we're going to look at things from a different lens because the guest is someone who knows how to capture the moment at the right time. Ekhaya bambiza ngo Ayanda Mzondi, but those who know him on social media and who know him in football circles and around sporting circles, bamazi ngo Ayanda Shots. Mabizo?
Yes.
Come back, Grant.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Good to have you, mfethu.
No, ngiyajabula nami bakhona la.
Mfethu, yazi njalo mangibona wena ngisuke ekhanda lami ngithi yabona manje kuzosetshenzwa manje. So sengizosibhala ngempela mangibona wena mfethu, which is I think is a good trait to have ukuthi abantu bakwazele not only nje ukuthi uAyanda but bakwazele umsebenzi wakho. So it's good to have you and I'm really excited about the conversation yethu namhlanje. Mfethu, take me back to the moment you held a camera esandleni sakho for the first time, because you're someone that's really talented obviously when it comes to ukushuta ithombe, siyakwazi kakhulu in sports, very big on social media, but take me back to that moment, the very first time you held a real camera in your hand.
Eish. Sikuloqala yo. Lalonzima lona. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi siloqala umngane wami wezombola icamera yakhe yabo. Wathi angifike ngizilanda eMega City.
Emlazi.
Yes, Emlazi. So ngaleso sikhathi I think ama-taxi asawu 11 rand and I had 11 rand kumina. So which means nemali ukuthi ngiye ukubuya yabo. Kodwa ngathi okay athi ngiye mhlambe mangimfica lapha yangu sengimcela ukuthi anginike ukubuya yabo. Mangifika lapha akekho angishare message ukuthi no uzithatha kuba icamera. So ngisaba ukuthi icele lo ngimfice lapha because ngijwayele yena yabo and uyena ongiboleka sengiqala ukumtshela ukuthi no anginayo imali ukubuyela ekhaya because angenzeka nqabe necamera yabo.
Yeah.
So angigibele ngifike lapha ngithatha icamera ngibuye ngonyawo yabo. So into engijahile angisanakanga ukuthi okay from Mega City ngiye Emlazi kaphi ukude yabo. Base into esikhanda lami ukuthi hey ngiyoba necamera camera nje ngingedwa yabo. Mase ngifika nje endlini ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngafika ngene ekhaya ngabeka ifoni ngathi ngavula icamera ngabe nesikhwama endlini ngaphuma necamera kanti ngaphandle khona umakhelwane ne. So mase athi wenzani lapho ushuthana ongishutha nami yabo. Hambe ngiyishuthela yena ngisajabulile ngiphethe icamera yabo. Hayi ngimshuthe. Yazini ngikhumbula ukuthi konje kunama games island Emlazi ka AA. Ngisuke from la kumakhelwane ngiye straight lapha ya groundini. So ngithi ngiyafika lapha ngishuthe shaye vekuphela ibhetri yabo. Ngithuke yabo ngimfonela ngithi konje i-charge ongifakelanga lathi yona into bengazi ukuthi uzoyidinga yabo because bengibona ibhetri rate enough ukuthi uzokwazi ukupractice. Ngithi mina hayi no it's fine ngizofika ngizoyilanda yabo. Hayi na impela ngizame ukuthi hayi ahambe ngakusasa ngiyolanda i-charger khona icamera izo-ona phela yabo. Unfortunately kwangenzeka ke ngangakwazi ukuya ngakusasa. I think after usuku nje lesibili ngalolo suku ngayithola i-charger wanginika. Wase uyinsuku zo December ke vele. So wangitshela ke that time ukuthi after 10 days kanje uthi no ngizoyicela ungiboleke icamera ngizoyilokhu ngizoyisebenzisa. But nami ase like ngishuthile ngayo yabo. Ngiyangave ngamncenga ngathi mina no ngicela ukuthi ungiboleke for Christmas nje. Mhlawumbe ngayithatha nge-26 yabo. Sase ngishutha nje ngoChristmas yazi sekusonke ingane lapho nasekhaya yonke lonto le. Hayi avume ngimniye lo kumali yabo nganginayo. So ngihlale nayo icamera khaya ngibashuthe ngakhumbula ekhaya sasihost umndeni wonke. Ngihamba ngawabashutha bejabulile nje yabo. Ngabona ukuthi no yazi ngijabulisa abantu abaningi ngalento yabo. Ngathathi ngicabanga indaba le camera because before ngangidlala ibhola. So wathweka ngimi ebholini yabo ngwana ngizoshaya u-matric so ngabona ukuthi okay from mangise esikoleni okay ngiba nesikhathi sokuba free yabo so ungcona kube na something engiyenzayo because ngeke ngihlale ngisesikoleni ngasonke isikhathi yabo
Sure.
yeah hayi camera ngilongi boleka lomjita yabo ngilongifika e-studio la isebenzela khona isebenza eMega City so shoot kwavula esinye i-studio esihambisana naso eseMega City yabo.
Yes.
Yeah kwa mase ebona okay singakwazi operator ne ngama school holidays babehlala bengi
So usifundisa wena ukushuthi camera?
Yeah ngisifundisa mina like
Yeah.
ngichecka ku internet ngiyabuza yena abanye ngiyabuza mina mabizo ngiyabuza yabo so abona uthi hayi no yazini ngiyayithanda lento and nepassion angifake na kubhuti bakhe yabo ubhuti bakhe babe namakampani wabo nabo so ubhuti wakhe ngiyakhumbula lenye ilanga wazi wacela ukuthi ngisebenze phansi kwakhe ngathi mina no cela ukuthi ngiqange ngicabange so ngakhuluma nothisha wami wayengifundisa esikoleni ngihlala izinto eziningi ngibuza kuyena mangibona ukuthi okay angiboni kahle lapha ya ngibuze kuyena angitshela ukuthi no ungavumi ukuthi ube ngaphansi kwakhe but mayekudinga ningasebenzisana yabo.
Yes.
Wathi nje emele ube nento yakho yabo because njengamanje usiyakwazi ukwenza izinto yabo ngamtshela kuba futhi no ngicela ukuthi ngikusize ngaleso sikhathi uma ufuna usizo lami but angeke ngikwazi ukuba ngaphansi kwakho awuyinto understandikayo engiphatha ama-gig wakhe ngiyakhumbula kokuqala wayengibambisa ilight kwagcina senginiya necamera yabo njalo lokushintsha up until ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ngishoot ngibe main photographer yabo but wonke nje iqale ngibambisa ilight ngibona ukuthi okay mabe shoot abamala ufuna lama position lawo nani yabo.
Sure.
Yeah and then
and that's how and then the rest is history.
The rest is history.
Mfowethu, let's talk about now you moving into sports photography in particular because abantu bakwazela ushoot ama game PSL, shoot ama game of other sporting codes, siyakwazi kwi cricket, siyakwazi na kwi rugby as well and other sporting codes, but mostly abantu bakwazela of umsebenzi wakho owenza especially on social media. You're very big in that space. When does now the transition moves from you ukuthi ushoot nalomjisa lokadutsu spana naye and then you find yourself in spaces where you are shooting professional athletes in different sporting codes?
Njade kutshelile ukuthi ibhola ngangidlala yabo.
Yeah.
So mangilekiswa ekhaya like bathi ngime kwabanzima ukuthi ngibuyele yabo. Because ngase ngenza lento icamera. Ngisesikoleni nje ngiyashutha and nabothisha bami bengisupport kakhulu yabo. Because babenza ama function ngiyakhumbula inye function esesikoleni kwakune Women's Day yabo. So bangiqasha and bathi bazokwenza sure ukuthi bayangisupport and ngiyakhumbula ukuthi after bengibashuthile wayephoqa ukuthi I think Monday during i-break ukuthi ngihambe ngibahambisele ithombe ngawani yabo. Lo break ngayispenda ngiya kuthisha nothisha because athiwa vele babevumelene ukuthi okay intwana siyisupport yabo.
Yeah.
Ngaya lapha break thisha one benginika imali mnika ithombe yabo khethe bajabule yabo and kwagcina kuyimpumelelo nje ngabanika ithombe bajabula babonga futhi yabo. And
going into esports now, how do you get into that space?
So ibhola ngaye ngathi ngisasesikoleni ngathola umsebenzi kwi-Pioneer Durban Pioneers.
Okay.
Yeah, so there was a guy wayidlala so wayibona umsebenzi wami from ma social media ushaka so wanginika ukuthi ngize teamini first game ngilangahlangana khona no chairman so wangibuza ukuthi iyiphi igame engiyifisayo yabo. Ngamtshela ukuthi hayi into ukuthi nokuthi wathana ungakhathazeki uzoba right because igame yokuqala ngangibolekwa ngasikhathi ama camera. So
igame yokuqala ye PSL
no from la ABC
Motsepe. Okay.
So igame yokuqala babeyidlala eMlazi Kingswell 18 ngaphakathi ngaleso sikhathi bebeyidlala ngaphakathi. So ngaye egameni ngafika ngabashutha icamera ngiyibolekiwe umjito ehlala ngase Comtech yeah so ngishuthi ngiphelele ibattery same thing nakhona enganginikanga i-charge yabo so the half time ngafika ngaphuma ngayolanda ibattery ngagijima ngeenyawo yabo because anginemali ukuthi ngabuya nje kuphela ngaholi ithimini so ngaya ngeenyawo ngagijima ngagibela sengibuya so ngabuya ngayikhava igame ngashaya ngicharge yabo abana lo and ngakhumbula ngaze ngathi kubona ngilahlekelwe ibattery yabo kuzangiqala ukuthi yabo kubuye ngathi angihlelekanga yabo athi hayi ngilahlekelwe ibattery so manje ngisawulanda i-charge so that's how ngawazi ukuthi ngiqede lo game and banginika ithuba ngaqeda esikoleni bangisupporta and uchairman nangempela ulandelayo bahlanganisela icamera yami uqala nje ngabona ukuthi okay sekushoda kancane wangikhuluma naye wangicwatsela wangithengela ngayithenga camera ngayithola and ngaqala nga-applya imidlalo ye-PSL yabo thing response angiyitholanga on time but ngagcina sengiyithola yabo ukuthi okay bangivuma ukuthi ngizoshutha yabo so yeah from lapho ke sengi-operator ngale camera enje uchairman angicwasela yona ngiyithenge yabo so ngasebenza ke ngalo ngishaya ABC ngala iPeter Pan ngishaya ngala iPSL yabo sometimes uma uthi like because wabona idabi I think idabi engakaze ngaye egoli yabo so ngamtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuyo-attenda leya game yabo wathi ayinkulu ngiyacela ukuthi uye nje khona yabo wangibuza ukuthi pho ngizohamba kanjani ngamtshela ukuthi hayi ngiplan ukuhamba ngebhasi yabo so ngahamba ke ngaye egoli wangigcwalisela nangemali ngagibela ngangiqala nje nokuyigoli yabo ngafika ekseni I think ngafika ngabo 5 ekseni mangifike iPark Stage ngarequesta ngaye FNB Stadium ngathi mangifika kucela ama security nje amaningi kanti la vela zogada igame yabo so cabanga from past 5 ngifikile igame idlala ngo3 yabo so ya game nangisase ngayikhola so ngifonela umunye ozakwethu official Vino ngathi no ntwana yami ungakhathazeki ngizokulanda mhlawumbe around 8 because ngihlale eValley kude nakhona lapha yabo afike nangempela around 8 angithathe ngiyakhumbula amajita la sebenza nawo ala eThekwini ayizonyuka ahambe ngeflight on ekseni so afike ngiyangithatha uSnape sami esentini yabo athi no silinde nalabanye amajita yabo afike amajita samukele nje kahle samsesentini asifake kwenye indawo nje athi ngahamba olokhuza lapha ya like ngiyilungiselele yabo yeah so then ngithengela ukudla of which inzima ukhohla into kanjalo ngithengela ukudla sadla sahamba sawushutha la ngabona khona nelokhuzana le yaba Mandela lapha eSensin City
yes
so Mandela Square yes so sashutha sijabulile nje yabo ujabula igame ayikadlala semkhohle nokuthi ngikhathele yabo
sure
so fike masiqeda sigroundini athi Snap idabi ke kuyashesha ukugcwala mesibuyele egroundini fast 11 sange groundini sayiprepare into zethu salinda nje igame kwamaqala igame sashaya igame kwamnandi kanjalo sashutha igame qede ngabuyela eThekwini same time after igame iphelile wangihambisa wangishiya station ngabuya so from lapho ke till today
you haven't stopped
ngaze ngayeka
but you speak about Uvino. Obviously Uvino is probably the biggest well-known photographer kubantu abashutha iPSL kakhulukazi in the entire country. I mean Snape yabo, and you speak about and I always see le brotherhood ennayo nokuzwana ennako just amongst yourselves as photographers abashutha iPSL. Where does that come from, mfethu? I mean abantu abaningi, not to say ukuthi people in other spaces abazwani, but there's this brotherhood and togetherness ennayo as abantu abashutha ibhola, and especially with the relationship onayo no Vino. Where would you say that comes from? noma ukuzwana nje.
Ukuzwana nje
Yeah.
yabo, because we space isiyi-1 yabo. Sometimes siyafonelana sibuzana ukuthi okay into ukuthi ngenza kanjani, even naye uyayibuza enye into if engayazi yabo.
Yeah.
Hayi ngoba nawe emdala akayisebenzisa ukuthi njengoba emdala hayi ngazi konke, uyabuza naye and nami ngiyabuza yabo, and of which into engisizile nabanye amajita amadala manje asize kakhulu yabo, because ngiyabuza ngiyakutshela yabo mina
Uyabuza.
ngiyabuza mabizi kufonela futhi yabo, because ngisuke ngazi ukuthi lento engizoyithola kuwena
It's valuable.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ine-value enkulu yabo, because nje umuntu emncane mela afunde from kwabadala yabo.
Yeah, indlela ebuzwa kwabaphambili.
Indlela ebuzwa kwabaphambili.
Sure.
Yeah.
So ilokhuzana ke manje the wave of social media. When does it start for you? So uyasho ukuthi usocials oqala back then usashutha nako ABC.
Yes, ngayicreate ngisase ABC WhatsApp,
Sure.
social media yami. So into enye ngayibona ukuthi izongenzela social media yami like ikhulele. Icamera nganginayo edinga ilens right yabo. So ngabona ukuthi okay abantu bayithanda iquality yabo.
Yeah.
That time ilens ani-afford ngikwazi ukuthenga lutho like ngikwazi ukuthenga ibhodi camera liyana nje kuphela. So ngabona okay kwani story engisitholayo ukuthi siyarentisa ne-equipment yabo. So i-camera tech decide ukwenza ilokhuzana i-account khona ukuthi okay sometimes mengirent yabo. So bengirenta each and every game, mekudlala igame nge-weekend like ama games Friday ngiyayi-collect equipment ngiyosebenza weekend yonke bese ngiyibuyisela Monday. So kwanyukela ngithola i-lens ngikwazi ukuthi ngithole nama-camera, so ngagcina i-camera le enginayo ngingasayisebenzisi kakhulu sengirent yakhona yabo. So sometimes bengiye like ngirent i-camera ne-lens mhlawumbe kuhamba 1,50 yabo. Just for ukuthi ngiyoshootha and ngithole lutho in return, but ngiyenza because it's a passion yabo.
Yeah.
And thanda ukuthi abantu bathola into right. And nangempela ekuhambeni nesikhathi ngibonile ukuthi yangisebenzela lonto ukuthi okay ngi-investile.
Yeah.
Ngafunda ukuthi okay ne-camera ukuthi operator kanje, i-camera engcono ikanjena angabe exposed kwezinto right yabo. Nakhona i-camera tech bebe ngisupporta ngoba I think mina bengimncane kakhulu. Izinto eziningi mina ngihlala ngibamncane yabo, and ukuthi ngenza izinto ezinkulu kangaka yabo. So even ekhaya bengihlala ngibajeta ngisabolekile into ukuthi yabo, and ngithi abangakhathazeki ngizobona ukuthi ngimisa kanjani yabo.
Yeah.
So ngihambe ngirenta, so yabo nje isizini edlule bengirent isizini yonke bengihambela mhlawumbe 1,250 nyukele yabo, because bekuningi izinto bengiyifisa nama-camera mirrorless ngiwafunda, but kodwa today ngiyawa-own ama-mirrorless camera yabo, of which ngangeke ngize ngibone ukubaluleka kwawo if ngangingarenti yabo.
Sure.
Yeah.
So on the topic of imali, obviously uyasho ukuthi you had to struggle a lot uhamba urent ama-camera as well as ama-lens for the longest time ungakwazi ukuthi ube nezinto zakho oyi-onayo, equipment osebenza ngayo. So mhlawumbe kunomuntu nje osekhaya who is looking to get into the space of esports photography, attend ama-game e-PSL, ashoot abadlali and all of that. So bayenza kanjani abantu, niyenza kanjani imali when it comes to sports photography, especially if you're a freelancer ungekho attached to any entity osebenzisana nayo, uwena nje uayanda uyashutha ama-game e-PSL, imali iqhamuka kanjani? How did you get to a point where uyakwazi nawe ukuthi uone izinto zakho?
Imali ama-gig aseceleni.
Sure.
Yeah,
so awuyenzi necessarily kumsebenzi owenza ngokushutha ama-game?
Yenza ama-gig eceleni, and sometimes abadlali basupporta yabo.
Okay.
Wathi ngishoot after ngadecide urenta equipment, equality yanyuka, and masinyukile equality abantu bayayithanda. Even abadlali, abadlali they have Instagram profiles,
also bayithanda iy'thombe.
So abanye obvious ngoba phela umuntu ebona intwana athi no ngizokuphi udrink ngizokuphi i-time yabo ngizokuphi i-data yabo so umfayile ithomba kuphela leyo nto akupha yona yabo but see leyo nto le ngisizile because emhlabeni ngazi ukuthi ayikho into encane yabo ayikho into encane yonke into ineveli if uzokwazi ukubekelela uzophuma na something enesiqo yabo.
Sure. So basically ngafushane nje uthi you use so ithombo uyishuthayo ku PSL izona ezikusiza nezikuexposeayo ukuthi uthole lama gig lawa azokukhokhela eceleni. So mhlambe what kind of gigs are there ukushutha nje okujwayelekile which is outside?
Ukushutha like past 2 years ngishutha iCover Cup midlala ngishutha eHollywood. Abangibizi ngoba naku mhlambe khona ungimazi bangibiza ngoba bathanda umsebenzi engikwenzayo yabo umsebenzi engikwenzayo bawubona from social media yami yabo so leya platform yangisiza ukuthi ngiexpose kwamanye ama client yabo of which bazothanda umsebenzi wami and manje baningi ngihlala ngiqhamuka kubona bengithintwana umsebenzi omuhle uqhubeke yabo but ngiyafisa ukuthi ngase lawo mazi abantu banganika imisebenzi eminingi yabo njengade ngisho ukuthi esikoleni bebengi-support bebengi-support uthisha wami and before ngiphume ngenza matric kwangine-gig engangifisa ukuyenza iy'thombe zey'ngane zamaklasi so wathi uthisha wami uMemngwenya no icabanga oyenze kahle lento le next year because uzobhala manje ama-exam yabo so ngathi okay anginankinga next year 2023 ngabuya request ukuyenza bangivumela ngayenza ijob mabizo clean njengoba ubona nje yabo naye ngayenza
uphethe zona la ithombe
zona lesi
okay
yonke into ngayenza perfect isikhathi i-deadline engangiyibekile because ngathi ngicela banginike inyanga eyi1 uthi ngiqede zonke ilokhuzana because esikoleni
from 2023
yes
nice.
So bathi akunankinga inyanga ayiphilanga ngingayideliver ngithombe engicabanga lapha esikoleni ngashuthi ingane ezo400 ingane ezayikhokhelela uzenze ithombe but phela kwakuphoqa ukuthi iclass neclass kumele ushuthe long so that iclass photo ikwazi ukuthi livele iclass long so esikoleni kunama class like grade 8 it's A B C gcina ka F so shuthi ingane mazo50 ka A nakalo kanjana njalo shutha ingane ezo50 even nothi akhokhe mhlambe ezo12 kodwa kumele uyishuthe zonke bese phinde uyobuyela ukhethe ukuthi okay ulokhukhile so ukumasterisha leyanto from kuyingane eziningi kanje ngasho ukuthi mabizo enye experience mabizo enzima engayithola yabo and masithiwa manje ama ikole ziyanginika ithuba leli lale ithombe lezi izokujabulela nje yani ngeke bazi bayisole.
Sure. Masibuyela ngapha ke on the field itself looking at ukusebenza nje kwi PSL obviously ama dynamics maningi from abantu sisebenza nabo to the fans PSL yalandelwa kakhulu in South Africa. What would you say are some of the challenges? Obviously you've highlighted some of them, but some of the big challenges nje enibhekana now as photographers, abantu who capture abadlali, you capture the game in a different way because kunomehluko phakathi sokubuka igame obviously siyayibuka on TV attend the game live but there's something about ithombe ezishuthiwe, the action pictures that tell a different story about what happened with game. Kwesinye isikhathi kunezinto ezenzeka egaming that we can't see engikwazi ukuthi niyibone nanishuthe and actually show it to the public. But just on back on umbuzo wami, what are some of the challenges nje enibhekana now as photographers working in the PSL, working in professional sports?
Ukuthi amanye moment mowathulile yabo thola isihlambe ngeyaza abuke ngendlela erise from iclub yabo so i-challenge le ukuthi okay uzoyi-capture rich moment uyi-publish but
so mhlawumbe uma ungenza example nje just
one example like last year I think le season esiphuma kuyona one moment la enye player yayixabana nomunye coach yabo so of which wathi masiphuma yabo washaya impahla le yabo wabuya umdonsa ucoach yabo hayi wabeyiqhubekela yabo so umuntu ayithola la moment but
so ayivelanga ku TV
ayivelanga ku TV
yeah
but
kodwa wayishutha
ayanda wayiveza
yeah
but yaba inkinga ngalesasikhathi yabo ngathethisa ukuthi no into kanjena akumelanga uyiveze yabo but kodwa manje ithe sekuphela isizini ngibona kuma video la manje angaphakathi yabo ukuthi nayi lento le shothi lento because mina ngayiposta angibhalanga lutho but abantu asebethatha izithombe sebebhala izinto ngazo
yes
so of which yona into yangiqhatha kahle
yes it's the reactions from ama fans and what they're sharing
yes because umuntu ubona ukuthi amakhe ayanda lapha esithombeni
bese
hayi mina ngibhalile yabo so mina ngibhale kambi mina ngabantu because nokuposta like ngayikhetha into engiyipostayo yabo igame idlala mhlambe ngokufakela kakhulu ama moments after game yabo la ama players ehagana khona
yes
like yabo makudlala iChiefs ngiyazi ukuthi okay urele nomaye babonana nomfundo bazojabulelana yabo uba uduba zonke lezo zinto yabo la moment hla nginabo umqondo ukuthi okay after game mengisha lo moment then action singabuye sengihighlight ngithi action pictures Pirates versus Chiefs kanjalo yabo but ngise munye igimini nginalo ukuthi okay makudlala amazulu ni case coach Ada nomfundo yabo uzoba naleyo nto le mengigade same thing Sundowns namazulu coach Ada uzobonana nozibonana nozwana bazojabulelana yabo
so you can almost map out ama storylines akho ukuthi ngoba vele nawe ibhola uyalibuka uyalandela you know the storylines ukuthi okay ubani angahlangana nobani and this is my moment to capture yeah
so ngihlale nginalo ukuthi okay game ukuthi kanje ngimisa kanje and isikhathi siningi ngihlang posta ilokhuzana ama storytelling pictures
so Mabizo obviously ukusebenza mfethu in an industry like sports you develop relationships with people professional relationships nabantu and you tell us about our relationships that you've been able to build especially with players club coaches chairmen because I think you're very close you have a good relationship no Pule Extend for example kuMaZulu so tell us more about that our relationships also wazile ukuthi wakhe with the work that you do
umsebenzi sengiwenzile singakhela ubudlelana nabadlali abopule nabanye aboweight baningi awuchayine baningi abadlali even nabo coach no coach nabo bengisupporta kakhulu yabo abo coach Vilakazi Mazulu nabanye coach yabo even no coach Atazwane nabo chairman nabo yabo and manje mangifika egroundini ngifike ngamukele ngezandla yabo elifudumele yabo kusafana seqaleni ngifika nje as like yabo manje ngithi
thuleke
manje ngithi mangifika yabo bathi bangibuze nge-right yabo last week njalo kudlala i-Premier Cup ngithe ngiqhamuka eTunnel ngiqhamukela ku-chairman Richards Bay wangibuza ukuthi ngabe yonke into ihamba kahle ngasho ukuthi hayi no hayi yonke into right chairman ngabe ngathi uyabonga mangi right ngabe ngihamba yabo so singakhela udlelana even nama colleagues yabo nje ubaba uMr Maseko and he's been supportive kumina sihlangana from a camera tech yabo and manje sisebenza naye ndawonye and hlala sindawonye uhlala usibona futhi mina mangibona isikhathi esiningi even uRichard Bay so ngihamba naye yabo he's more of a colleague but sewubaba yabo kumina yabo so umsebenzi wami usungisizile ngakha umndeni encileni yabo so
I know that's good because that's the whole point of being in the space lesesikusona in sports not only ukuthi sibuka ama games cover ama game but also those relationships that you build along the way are very important mfethu sesivala nawe what is the ultimate goal for Ayanda Shots ibrand yakho ukukhula you work every single day building ibrand yakho season in season out but what's the ultimate goal for you la uthi khona this is where I want to go this is where I see myself and my brand going
so as for a brand Ayanda Shots I wish ingaba agents whereby izoqasha ama photographer nama videographer ukuthi basebenze banike imisebenzi yabo and ngiyakwenza lokho it's a matter of uthi manje angiboni ngalendlela engifuna ukuthi kube ngakhona yabo
Sure.
kodwa yona
I-vision ikhona.
i-vision ikhona
Yeah.
because ngingaba negig eseMozambique
Sure.
ngaqasha amajita sahamba sa eMozambique and it's an international gig yabo sasebenza kahle amajita amadala even nami but masasemsebenzini ayakusebenzisa uthi okay siyalingana
Sure.
yabo. So nami as a boss yabo ngiyalingana na wonke umuntu yabo but kodwa I know ukuthi ngimine ngibabiza izibazosebenza
Sure.
and namanje kuma gig ngiwatholayo emaceleni makuthiwa kudingeka i-videographer I always make sure ukuthi amajita ngiyashintshanisa ngibize lo
Sure.
yabo even nobut bamanye ngibaqalile ngiyabafaka abanye ngibabambisa ama lights yabo ukuthi bangahlali endlini but
Yeah.
kwakhiwe into yasekhaya
Yasekhaya,
yeah yabo angifuni ukuthi iyakhiwe abantu bangaphandle kakhulu but nabantu basekhaya mebayakhe and as for mina in sports I wish ukuthi ngingashoota one of the major tournaments and wonke ngiyafisa ukwashoot AFCON World Cup
Sure.
yonke into mabiza and uzoba khona iAFCON manje
I know AFCON elandelayo nje
Yeah.
2027.
and ngifuna ukuba khona
I know.
nakanjani
Asi manifest emabizo.
Yeah.
Uyakhona na kanjani?
na kanjani ngeke ngibe khona yabo so yeah ilowo nje mabizo and kuningi nokunye ngifuna ukuachieve
Sure.
yabo but it's a matter of isikhathi yabo izinto zenzeka ngesikhathi akuvele konke yabo ukuthi
Kwenzeke.
yeah
At
but
the same
kona
time.
kuzokwenzeka
Yeah.
yabo
Na kanjani?
yeah
Mfowethu, your story is really inspiring. Your work ethic umsebenzi wakho nje muhle kakhulu. Ngikufisela okuhle konke nje going forward. Kuhle ukusebenza nawe and also just to see to look from afar, you know, cause nasihleze siphezulu emedia center looking down. Sinibona ngigijima lapha kwifield nihambe nishoot anihlale nisukume. So it's inspiring kakhulu ukubona just a dedication obanayo on the field to capture the moments for ama fans. Ithombe nje that you always capture. Muhle kakhulu umsebenzi and ngathi ungakhula nje mfethu going forward.
no thank you so much mabizo ngiyabonga nje ngajabulela futhi nokuthi abantu banginike umsebenzi yabo
Sure.
kungabe ukuthi lo ngijabulile ukuthi hayi no ngidomela
Yeah.
ngifuna ukusebenza mina ngiyakuthanda ukusebenza ngiyathanda ukusebenza it's either ibhola or wenza event yabo nje ngipost ibhola kakhulu abantu bangazi ngebhola it's because of ukuthi ezinye izinto kunzima ukuyipost yabo like izinto zama client on socials because you know abantu ukuthi
personal information yeah
abantu babhala noma kanjani and ngeke uyivimbe le nto leyo so in order for protect izinto zakho kumele ungayifaki like izinto zama client but uyazi ukuthi into ukuthi uyishayile yabo and ama client amaningi like ngiyakutshela yabo sengishuthe izinto ezinkulu but angikwazi ukuyipost but kodwa ngiyazama ukuthi anumba highlightela yabo ngingashuthi president ICC my pictures were on the front page like for 3 days landelana because I event ya 5 days so 3 days landelana bengisha ama front page so le nto yakutshela ukuthi no intwana iyasebenza
Iyasipana intwana mfethu iyasipana intwana hayi mfethu ovezela ilokhuzani ibrand yakho sibone kahle Ayanda Shorts follow him on all social media platforms doing really great work in terms of his sports photography and mfethu siyabonga kakhulu thank you so much for joining us so kubona efieldini mfana PSL ibuyile ziyakhala boys
ngithuka nje
Danko, that's a wrap of this week's edition of the Gaga CFM Sports Unlocked. We're going to be back with more next week.